Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. We have learnt a part of this dua. Now we'll take the remaining part. Rabbi a'udhu bika min al-kasali wa su'il kibar. Rabbi a'udhu bika min adhabin fil nar wa adhabin fil qabr. Rabbi a'udhu bika min al-kasali. Rabbi means, oh my Rabb. Right? You a'udhu, I seek refuge. Bika, in you, O Allah. Min is from al-kasal. Kasal means laziness. Alright? Kasal means laziness. Here it is, kasal, laziness. From minal kasal, from the laziness. Wa su'il kibar. Su'il kibar, su means evil. Okay, kibar is old age. Su'il kibar, from the evil of the old age. Rabbi a'udhu bika min al-kasali wa su'il kibar. Oh my Lord, oh my Rabb, I seek refuge in you, I seek protection in you from the laziness and the evil of the old age. Let us take the first part. Rabbi a'udhu bika min al-kasali wa su'il kibar. Al-kasal, laziness, is not doing righteous deeds, although Allah has given us the ability to do so. For example, offering prayer at home in spite of having the convenience to go to masjid, or not trying to gain knowledge of the Quran and Hadith despite having all facilities. That is kasal. And su'il kibar, one cannot do good deeds because of the trials of old age, such as weakness of mind and loss of memory, weakness of body organs, and dependency on others for fulfilling the requirements, and so on. And there is a beautiful link between the two. Al-kasal, where you are young, you can do it, and if you don't do it, that is very bad. Su'il kibar, you want to do it, but you cannot do it in the old age. So here is the time when you are good and healthy, do it. That is the message also here. Old age is a big trial for the aged persons, but at the same time, it is the best opportunity for the relatives to earn Allah's pleasure by serving them and getting their du'as. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum